Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the watermark in the Remini app. Let's get started. When you use Remini for free, it adds a watermark on the final photo or video. When user want to remove this watermark, let me tell you the correct and safe way to do it. There is only one official way to remove the watermark, that is by using Remini Pro paid version. There is no setting in the free version to remove the watermark. Take your phone and open the Remini app and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap on Go Pro or Pro at the top of its screen. Now you will see a different subscription plans like weekly, monthly or yearly. Select the plan that suits your base. Confirm the subscription using Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password. Once payment is successful, your account becomes Remini Pro. Now go back and enhance any photo or video. This time the final result will be saved without any watermark. And that's it. That's how you can remove the watermark in Remini using just your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.